Welcome student to my channel. Okay, now let's discuss the continuation of the AP. These are class 10 I.C.S.E board and class 10 on C.B.S.E board also. So I just discussed here the books from the email Agrawal. The edition is 2025, suppose 9.2. Okay, so let's start today the one sum. Okay, here is the sum and the 9.2, this is 6.1. Sum number is 6.1. Okay, clear? Now check whether, check, this sum is different. Check whether, here whether, check whether, comma, minus 150 is a term, minus 150 is a term of AP or not. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the given AP, the AP or not. Just you check. What is the AP? The question is AP is this 11, 8, 8, 5, 2, dot, 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 dot. That means that is an AP. Okay, no problem. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP or not. But this is the AP. 11, 8, 5, 2 decreasing. So this minus 147 is an any term of that AP. Clear? So that is we find out. Okay. Just you check it. Suppose this is the first term is A is 11. What is the common difference? This is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. You check is also. So this D also. 5 minus 8, this is also minus 3. This is D, same as this. 2 minus 5, this is minus 3. That means this is already in AP. That is given. But I check here. So this is the A is the first term and this is minus 3 is the common difference. Clear? Now, what is the general formula? Suppose n term. Suppose this is the actually minus 150. Suppose this is the nth term. Okay, adjust. So what is this? Tn is equal to plus n minus 1 into d. This is okay? Tn. Suppose we take this is the n term. This is the 150 minus 150 is the n term. So what is the formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. No problem at all. Just you put the value. You just find out what is the value of n now. So this is minus 150. No problem. A. What is A? A is 11 plus n minus 1. And what is the d? D is minus 3 minus 3. So this is the minus 3. Okay. So suppose this is 150 minus 11. This is n minus 1 into minus 3. The use and the multiply, the bracket is very important for doing calculation, proper calculation. Calculation not to be incorrect if you just use this bracket. So this is actually minus this 161. Be careful. And this is minus 3. That is n minus 1. No problem. Minus minus out. So 161 you divide. Okay, no. 2. 161. So this is actually a 53 2 by 3. This is equal to n minus 1. So what is the value of n? N is 54 2 by 3. Okay. N is 53 2 by 3. But this is the fraction. 54 2 by 3 is a fraction. 53 in case of the terms is very important thing. These are all the whole number. Whole number. Suppose here this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So this always the whole number. Actually, not the whole number. This is starting from the 0, the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the natural number, not the fraction. There is no decimal. So here is the nth. Suppose the value of 150, actually the term is 54 2 by 3. So there is nothing 54 or 55. 54 or 55, but this is not. So yes, this is the fractional part. These are not a whole number, 54 2 by 3 or the decimal part. So it's not a term. So you write no, is not a term. That means this is the AP 11 to 8, 5, 20. But this number is not coming in a certain natural number term. This, what is the value of this? This is, what is the term? 54 2 by 3. So 54 2 by 3 is not the natural number. 54 or 55 or 56, this. But this is the fraction. Okay. So for that reason, you just prove 1 minus 150 is nothing, belongs to the any term here. This is the given AP. So minus 150 is not belongs any terms. Okay. So the answer is no, it's not a any terms. Or minus 150 is a term or not? No, minus 150 is not a term. Clear? So this is the thing. Okay. So now this way you just put. Okay. So now the next sum. Okay. Clear? So AP is very easy. Just concept must be clear. You just learn the formula, remember the formula, but the application of the formula in that. If the idea is clear, any sum to you is very easy to you. Just first be properly understand. Okay. Now the next sum. Now the next sum. Okay. Just I write the sum. Okay. This is 6.2. 6.2. All are from the ML Agrawal 2025 edition 9.2 suppose. Okay. Now find whether find whether W T TH here. So this is TH here. Whether. Okay. Whether 55 is a term of the following AP. I just write here the AP. Okay. AP 7, 10, 7, 10, 13. Just I write the sum. Dot, dot, dot. Okay. Or not. Or not. If yes, find which the term. Find which term. Same follow. What is the question here? Find whether 55 is a term of the AP. This is the following AP. 7, 10, 13. Okay. 7, 10, 13. Continuous. So 55 is a term, belongs to this term AP or not? If belongs, if yes, so what is the term? 55 belongs in which term? Okay. So same thing. First you write, what is A? A is 7, very easy. So what is D? D is actually 10 minus 7. So this is 3. This is 13 minus 10, also 3. Let 55 is nth term. So what is this? Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. This is the general formula. No problem. Tn is equal to n minus 1 into D. So Tn, what's the value of Tn? This is 55. Okay, what is the value of A? 7 plus n minus 1. What is the value of D? D is 3. Just to find the value of n. If this is the natural number, this belongs to the term. If there is a fraction there and the decimal system, so this is not at all. Okay, is always n is always getting the natural number. 13, 14, 15, see, all of the natural number. So if value the n is natural number, so it's a term. If not, it's not a term. So now 7 is out. 55 minus 7, that is n minus 1 into 3. So this is actually 48 by 3. This is n minus 1. Okay. So this is 16 plus 1. This is n. Yes. What is the value of n is 17. Okay. It's belongs to a term. It's belong to a term. 17. Okay. What is this? Find whether 55 is a term or not. Yes, 55 belongs to a term. Term number 17. N is 17. Yes. And if yes, yes first, yes, yes. If yes, what is find term? Term is 17. Clear? So this is the way you solve the sum. No problem. No problem. Very easy. Clear? So this is the way. Not to be very panic to do the sum. Clear? Okay. So thank you for today. If you just understand this, please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you for today. Okay. So I just next I just upload the different pattern of this AP. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, student.